Hey everybody, it's Josh again with another episode of Fixin' the Kitchen. Today we're going to talk about basic troubleshooting cleanliness for a speed oven. Speed oven is faster, more intense than a microwave. There are similarities, but there are differences. So like every other episode we've talked about, first and foremost, first thing we're going to do, you guessed it, we're going to check the power. How are we going to do that? We're going to check the outlet. If you can't move the outlet, check your breaker, all right? Or find another piece of equipment that has a similar plug that you can plug into this same outlet. Verify if that works. If either one of those aspects, breaker or a different plug or different unit, doesn't work, call a CPS certified company, preferably CPS. All right, so one of the things after power, definitely, as I've stated through all the other videos, as usual, never heard of a clean piece of equipment have an issue. So guess what we're going to talk about? That's right, making sure the filters are clean. Biggest thing you can do not restrict airflow. You want to make sure that a unit can move air to keep the components cool. Filters such as this, you want to be able to shine in a light and be able to see through. Once that is done and back in place, we move to the front. We have door gaskets. Make sure that they're cleaned with a damp cloth and the recommended manufacturer cleaner. Do not get Ajax or Easy Off oven cleaner, whatever product is out there, and spray in here and let it sit. It is extremely caustic, will eat and deteriorate the internal components and cause more damage and more problems. Every single oven, I don't care what brand, what manufacturer, has the same aspect. Filter, door gasket, and trays that can be moved out and cleaned out internally. Only reason you want to do that is if you have a built-up of product, the unit's not going to cook properly because one, can't move air and encompass the product, and two, it's just going to cause it to malfunction even more. All right, guys, we've gone over some of the basic tips. Like I've said in all the other episodes, like a car, if you don't maintain it, it's not going to get you from point A to point B. If you don't maintain a piece of equipment, it's not going to be there for you. So we want to make sure that you get through this. If you've done the basic troubleshooting, you've kept it clean, it's still not operating properly, only thing you do from that point, call a CPS certified company, preferably CPS. We're here 365 days a year.